Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find your browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome. Now let's tap on this three dot icon right here and click on History. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened websites. In order to remove only one of it, simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it disappears. But in order to clear much more browsing data, simply click here, click browsing data. And now we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you are ready to remove browsing data, click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.